Seeds are being sown and plants are going into the ground, all part of a Cajun prairie restoration project at the Lacassine National Wildlife Refuge in Cameron Parish. 4-H members are helping restore an ecosystem that has nearly disappeared.
We've lost 99% of our prairie, so it's extremely important to put prairie back on the ground because it helps with a lot of things, wildlife, pollinators, all these animals, especially the quail and the ducks that we love to hunt.
The 4-H'ers were restoring a 6-acre plot at the refuge. For most of the students, the idea of a prairie in Louisiana was a foreign concept, but being able to be part of restoring it was a learning experience they won't forget.
I'd rather be outside than sit in the classroom all day, and I feel like I personally learn more doing stuff than just sitting in a desk and listening to a teacher lecture all day.
Some of the students were wetland ambassadors who serve as leaders on wetlands projects and as mentors to younger students.
We do a lot of outreach events. We teach kids the importance of wetlands and why it's important to preserve everything.
Rapides Parish 4-H agent Allison Elnagar was helping spearhead the project and said the project could make a lasting impression on the participants.
I want them to visit this site in a few years or maybe years down the road with their families, and they can say, this is what I did whenever I was in 4-H.
Many of the wildflowers being seeded serve as food for important pollinators such as bees and butterflies. With the LSU AgCenter, this is Craig Gautreaux reporting.